All right, instead of using the eraser tool right here on the left-hand side of the bar and erasing the background manually as such as so, try using a layer mask instead. Now, when you use the eraser tool and you see this grid back here, that basically means that you're erasing the background and it's going to be transparent. And when you use the eraser tool like this, it permanently deletes that background. So if you continue editing the photo all the way and you want to bring back any part that you erased, you won't be able to do it. So instead, let's go over here to the right hand side in the layers tab. We're going to see this icon that looks like a white square with a circle in the middle. That is your layer mask tool. We're going to click on it, and so now this is what our layer looks like. We have our original picture and then we have a mask over it. So what we're going to do now is we're just going to click on the thumbnail right here where my mouse is hovering. And so now I am in the layer mask area. Now what this does is you can go into the original photograph at any time and erase what you need to or bring back what you need to. So using the quick selection tool, I'm gonna make sure that my tool is set to the minus sign, which basically means taking away whatever you're selecting, and it's gonna quick select the background, and I can lower the size if I need to, but as I just use it across, you see how it automatically grabs that background. And sometimes we can see it take away things that we might not want it to. It looks a little rough around the edges now, but fortunately, since I'm using the layer mask, I can always bring it back by going to the plus sign, editing my brush, and just going back to try and take back what I need to, and then making those edits that I need. I can also use the lasso tool. I like using the polygonal lasso tool, and we can set subtract from selection. So let's say I want to remove this little part right here. All I need to do is just make sure I outline it using a polygon and it's gone. So that is a super quick and easy way to get rid of little details that take a little bit more selection. So now I'm just going to bring back a few things that I want. Now my lasso tool is set to add to selection, so I'm just going to select part of this foot that got cut out. But basically, now that I am done, I'm just going to hit OK, and now you can continue the rest of your edit, knowing that you can always go back and bring back what you took out without having to restart the whole thing.